In today's world, we are surrounded by information: emails, PDFs, online articles, endless presentations. You save documents for later, bookmark pages, and take notes, but somehow most of it slips away. We're drowning in information, yet starving for real understanding. Now imagine this. What if you could talk to your notes? What if your documents could answer your questions, summarize themselves, or even turn into podcasts you can listen to anytime? This isn't some futuristic dream. This is Google's NotebookLM, your personal AI research partner that helps you understand what truly matters. In this complete beginner's guide, I'll take you step by step through NotebookLM, how it works, how to use it, and how it can transform the way you learn, research, and create. So sit back, grab your favorite drink, and get ready to master your digital brain. Part 1. The Basics. Getting Started. So, what exactly is NotebookLM? It's a free tool by Google designed to help you understand and use your own information better. To access it, go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to start. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to explore. When you open NotebookLM, the screen is divided into 3 main sections, each designed to help you organize, analyze, and create from your own information. Left side panel, Sources window. This is where all your uploaded materials live. You can add PDFs, Google Docs, text notes, or website links using the Add button. Discover button allows you to discover and connect with additional public sources online. Each uploaded source appears in a list for easy access. Simply click to view or remove them. Middle section, Chat window. This is the heart of NotebookLM. Here you can chat directly with your documents, ask questions, request summaries, generate ideas, or combine insights from multiple sources. NotebookLM's responses are source-grounded, meaning every answer is based on your uploaded materials only, accurate, reliable, and personalized. Right side panel, Studio window. This section is where NotebookLM transforms information into creative and practical outputs. You can generate audio overviews like podcasts, video overviews, reports, blogs, quizzes, flashcards, and more. These tools help you study, teach, or present your material in multiple engaging formats. Top right, Share button. Once your project is ready, use the Share button to save, export, or share your notebook link with others. It's a simple way to collaborate or keep your organized knowledge accessible anywhere. Part 2. Create your first notebook. Now, let's create your very first notebook together, step by step. Imagine you're working on a project about mastering NotebookLM in 2025. Start by clicking New Notebook on the main dashboard. Give it a name. Let's call it NotebookLM in 2025. Then click Add Source. Here's where NotebookLM really shines. You can upload your PDFs, link your Google Docs, paste a website URL, or even drop in plain text all in one place. As soon as you upload, NotebookLM starts analyzing instantly. It understands the content, identifies key points, and gets ready to answer your questions based on what you provided, not the internet. Now, with your sources added, you can start chatting directly with your notebook. Ask questions like, "What is main theme of this?" or "Summarize my research notes." NotebookLM responds in seconds, giving you summaries, insights, and structured answers grounded in your own files.
Chat with your sources. Since we have added 3 sources in our NotebookLM, one link of YouTube video on mastering NotebookLM and links of one online Notebook LM guide and one tutorial. Now we will ask questions and Notebook LM give us answers based on our sources. For example, we will ask, let us know answers one by one. All features of Notebook LM. What is Notebook LM? Why it is different from ChatGPT? Notebook LM scans all your files and gives you a clear, cited answer, combining insights from different sources. It's like having your own research analyst that never forgets.
Part 3. The Studio. Go beyond chat. Now that you've explored chatting with your notes, let's move to something even more exciting, the Studio section. On the right side of Notebook LM, you'll find a collection of powerful tools that go beyond simple chat. Here, you can generate audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, and even quizzes, all automatically created from your uploaded content. Let's start with the audio overview. It's like a built-in podcast where a virtual man and woman discuss your topic in a natural, conversational way, summarizing key ideas and providing clear insights after deeply analyzing all your documents. We'll listen to a short 30-second sample of this audio overview to experience how it brings your research to life. After that, we'll move on to explore the mind map feature, a visual summary that connects your main ideas, highlights key relationships, and helps you understand the bigger picture at a glance.
Pressure. That's exactly why we're doing this deep dive today on Google NotebookLM.
Right.
Because this isn't quite like the other AI tools you just chat with. Google's positioning it, well, experimentally, as an AI research partner.
A partner
Okay.
designed to read with you. Is that the idea?
Pretty much. To process your specific documents alongside you.
So our mission today is figure out what actually makes NotebookLM different. How does it swallow all these, messy different documents you throw at it?
And crucially, what comes out the other end.
Next, let's explore the mind map feature, a powerful way to visualize your ideas. Upon clicking on My Map in Studio, NotebookLM automatically creates a dynamic, interactive concept map from your uploaded sources. It connects key topics, subtopics, and relationships, helping you see how everything fits together at a glance. You can click on any node to dive deeper into the details, making complex information clear, organized, and easy to understand. It's perfect for presentations, research planning, or simply grasping the bigger picture of your topic. Next, let's look at the Reports feature. NotebookLM allows you to generate different types of reports tailored to your specific needs. When you click on Reports in the Studio tools, you'll see multiple options, including custom reports, briefings, study guides, blog posts, competitive analyses, training manuals, key concepts, and getting started guides, which offers step-by-step walkthroughs. This feature is incredibly useful for transforming your collected information into the exact format you need, whether it's for study, research, or professional documentation, all within seconds. Now, let's explore the Flashcards feature. When you click on Flashcards in the Studio tools, NotebookLM automatically generates a set of interactive cards based on your uploaded sources. In our example, it analyzed the 3 documents we added and created around 50 flashcards, each containing a key question and answer drawn directly from the content. This feature is extremely useful for quickly reviewing important points, preparing for exams, or even creating engaging presentations. It's like having your study notes neatly organized and ready for instant recall, all powered by your own materials. Finally, let's explore the quiz feature in the Studio tools. When you click on Quiz, NotebookLM automatically generates a set of interactive questions based on your uploaded sources. Each question includes 4 multiple-choice options, along with a helpful hint to guide your thinking, and a Next button to move through the quiz. This feature is an excellent way to test your understanding of a topic, reinforce key concepts, and identify areas that may need more review. It's a fun, interactive way to turn your research into active learning. We've now explored almost all the powerful features of NotebookLM Studio tools, except for the video option, which takes more time to demonstrate. As you've seen, NotebookLM offers a variety of tools, from reports and mind maps to flashcards and quizzes, all designed to help you understand your information more deeply. On the top right corner, you'll find the Share button, which lets you save your notebook and share it with others. On the left, the Add button allows you to include more sources and generate new insights or reports instantly. There's also a Discover option where you can explore and connect to publicly available sources online. NotebookLM is truly an amazing tool for researchers, learners, and especially students, helping you transform scattered information into real understanding and knowledge. Please explore all features of NotebookLM by yourself. It is connected with Google Gemini and has become a powerful tool for all walks of life, especially for students and researchers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more AI tutorials.